In this video, I'm going to show you how to increase control size on iPhone on iOS 18. So if you have small control size just like this, you can increase the size from whatever it is to a very bigger one. So like this. So here, basically, I'm going to show you how to do this. So you can do this on any of the controls you added to your control center. So if at the end of this video, you found this video helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now, the first thing you want to do is go to the control center on your iPhone like this. Then press and hold the control center to make it editable. Then you can just use this curved arrow to increase the size of the controls. So just come here and hold it like this. Then make it bigger. You see that? Then you can make it smaller as well, like this. Then repeat the process to make it bigger. You may see it moving around when you are trying to increase the size of the controls, but just need to click on this small icon here, not to drag it, but to increase it like this. So ideally, you just need to slightly drag it to the left a bit like this before you can drag it down. So some of these won't easily catch in. You see that? Then let's try this on calculator. You see that? Then let's try this on tapped catch. So you can see that is moving just a bit. That is it. Then on the visual keyboard, you see that works. So that's how you can easily make your controls bigger on iPhone on iOS 18. So you can just keep increasing all of this to make them really visible on your device. So you can also do this on the touch as well. So, as you can see, you need to apply a bit of wisdom to do this. So this is how you can easily increase control size on iPhone on iOS 18. So if this is helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe.